Okay, so let us discuss one more problem here. Laplace inverse of 1 by s square plus 9 into s plus 3 by convolution method. Here we have two terms. Okay, so let us make it separate. Then s square plus write 9 as 3 square. Then Laplace of 1 by s square plus 3 square is what? 1 by a sin 80, 1 by 3 sin 3t convolution. This is e power of minus 3t. So it is f of t and g of t. Then use this formula. So f of u means replace t with u. Okay, and g of t minus u, that means replace t with t minus u. So e power of minus 3 into you will get t minus u, then multiply with minus 3 here. So e power of minus 3t, minus into minus plus 3 into u, 3u. Okay, then 1 by 3 right outside, sin 3u into here e power of m into m plus n formula, e power of m into e power of n. So e power of minus 3t into e power of 3u du. We have to differentiate with respect to u. So write these t terms outside. Okay, then sin 3u into e power of 3u du. Okay, so which is in the form of integration of e power of ax sin bx dx. So we have this formula, e power of ax by a square plus b square into a sin bx minus b cos bx. So let us use this formula. Here a means 3, b also 3. So because compare it with e power of ax sin bx dx, a is 3, b also 3. Okay, so by using this formula let us simplify it. E power of ax, here write these terms outside, e power of ax, e power of 3x by a square plus b square, 3 square plus 3 square, a sin bx, 3 sin 3u, in place of x we have u, so 3 sin 3u minus b cos bx, that means again 3 cos 3u. Limits are 0 to t. Okay, now let us apply the here 3 plus 3 square plus 3 square, 9 plus 9. From these two terms let us take 3 common. Okay, then 9 plus 9 18, 3 by 18 6. Okay, then let us apply the limits. Okay, now let us apply the limits. Upper limit t in place of u, okay, minus lower limit 3 into 0, here cos 3 into 0, sin 3 into 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. Okay, then multiply with minus, so plus, then multiply with e power of minus 3t inside. So e power of minus 3t into e power of 3t, 3 into 6 18. Here e power of minus 3t into e power of 3t, e power of minus 3t plus 3t, so minus 3t plus 3t 0, so e power of 0 is 1. So 1 by 18 into sin 3t minus cos 3t plus 1. So that is inverse Laplace transformation of given function by using Laplace method. Okay, similar to previous problem, solve these two problems. Okay, right, let us see one more problem here. Using convolution theorem, solve Laplace inverse of 1 by s into s plus 1 into s plus 2. Here if you observe the denominator we have 3 terms, right? So first let us take any 2 terms. So here I am taking first 2 terms, s into s plus 1. Okay, then again use same method. So let us make it separate, Laplace inverse of 1 by s into Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus 1. So 1 by s is nothing but s, and here e power of minus t. Consider it as f of t convolution g of t. Then use the formula, that is integral 0 to t into f of u into g of t minus u into du. Okay, so limit integral 0 to t f of u 1 only into g of t minus u, this is g of t, so replace t with t minus u, okay, into du. Then here 0 to t, 1 into something is something, then multiply with minus here, so minus t, minus into minus, plus into du. Then integral 0 to t, we can write it as e power of minus t into e power of u into du. Here we have to differentiate with respect to, sorry, integrate with respect to u. So write t terms outside. So write e power of minus t outside, integral 0 to t e power of u into du. So e power of minus t into integration of e power of u is e power of u only. So limits are 0 to t. Now let us apply the limits. Upper limit is t, so you will get e power of t, minus lower limit 0, so e power of 0. So e power of minus t into here e power of t minus e power of 0 is 1. Then multiply with e power of minus t here, e power of minus t into e power of t. You will get e power of minus t into e power of t minus e power of minus t into 1 e power of minus t. Okay, so here e power of minus t into e power of t. alternative terms, e power of 0. So e power of 0 is 1 minus e power of minus t. Okay, so that is which value? Laplace inverse of 1 by s into s plus 1 value. Okay. Okay, now let us take total function. Laplace inverse of 1 by s into s plus 1 into s plus 2. Already we know 1 by s into s plus 1. So consider this total term as a single term and s plus 2 is another term. So divide it like this. Laplace inverse of 1 by s into s plus 1 convolution Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus 2. Already we know this value. Laplace inverse of 1 by s into s plus 1 value. Okay. So what is that? We got 1 minus e power of minus t. Okay. So write that value directly here. 1 minus e power of minus t. Okay. Then convolution Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus 2 is e power of minus 2t. Okay. Consider this value as f of t convolution g of t. Then use the formula integral 0 to t f of u into g of t minus u into du. Okay. Now integral 0 to t, this is f of t, replace t with u. Okay. So you will get 1 minus e power of minus u into e power of here g of t minus u, replace t with t minus u here. So e power of minus 2 into t minus u into du. Okay. Then integral 0 to t 1 minus e power of minus u into, let us multiply with minus 2 and let us make it separate. So you will get e power of minus 2t minus into minus plus e power of 2u. So write as e power of 2u into du. Okay. Then write e power of minus 2t outside here. So write e power of minus 2t outside. Then you will get integral 0 to t 1 minus e power of minus u into e power of 2u du. Now e power of minus 2t integral 0 to t multiply with e power of 2u here. So e power of 2u minus e power of minus u into e power of 2u du. Okay, here we have two terms. So e power of minus 2t into integral 0 to t of e power of 2u, here e power of 2u, e power of minus u, bases are equal, so power should be added. So 2u minus u, what? U. So e power of u into du. We got two terms here. Okay, so let us make it separate and integrate. So e power of minus 2t of integral 0 to t e power of 2u into du minus integral 0 to t e power of u into du. So e power of minus 2t of integration of e power of 2u is e power of 2u by u coefficient is 2. So limits are 0 to t. Then integration of e power of u is e power of u only, limits are 0 to t. Okay. Now let us apply the limits. E power of minus 2t into upper limit is what? T here. Okay. Now let us apply upper limit here. Before that write 1 by 2 outside. So 1 by 2 of e power of 2t minus lower limit 0. So e power of 2 into 0. Then again here upper limit e power of t minus lower limit e power of 0. Okay. So e power of minus 2t of 1 by 2 right outside again e power of 2t, 2 into 0 is 0. So e power of 0 is 1. Then e power of t, again e power of 0 is 1. Okay. Then multiply here. So e power of minus 2t of multiply here, multiply with 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into e power of 2t, 1 by 2 is minus 1, minus 1 by 2, then minus e power of minus t, minus into minus plus. Okay. Okay. So write this term as like this. Then multiply with e power of minus 2t inside. So e power of minus 2t into first term. So 1 by 2 into e power of minus 2t into e power of plus 2t. Then e power of minus 2t into e power of minus t. Then e power of minus 2t into 1 by 2 plus e power of minus 2t. Okay. And simplify it. If we simplify this term, we will get this answer. Okay. So that is Laplace inverse of our given function. So with this problem, convolution theorem topic is completed.